Hello friends, myself Ashish Kumar Singh. I am basically from Uttar Pradesh and present time I live in Pune. I am working in a Faurecia Automotive Setting India Private Limited, a big MNC company. I want to learn PLC SCADA HMI, so I am entering various type of a institute in Pune. But when I come in Softwell, that I am very gladful for especially Bhavesh sir. He is giving more knowledge about a PLC and SCADA and HMI, and I will learn here different type of PLC just like Siemens, Mitsubishi, Omron, Patek, Delta, it is etc. And after gain my PLC skill, I am selected in a Gujarat-based MNC company as a PLC programmer. I want to say that if you want to do PLC programming and gain your knowledge in automation field, that you will join in Softwell Automation. It is a very good experience in this institute, and your future is a very bright. So thank you very much.